Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will going to understand the concept of identity operators in Python. We have following topics in my presentation: Introduction to Identity Operators and Understanding the ID function. So without any further delay, let's get started. What does ID function do? It compares the ID of the object. Okay, there are two types of identity operators: is operator and is not operator. First, understand the ID function. What is ID function? We already know that Python is a purely object-oriented language. Everything in Python is an object. Each object has some memory location, and Python allocates memory location to each object. Therefore, each object has a unique ID, which we can use to refer that object in our program. So we can say that each object in Python has a memory location identified using a unique ID, and it can be checked using ID function. With the help of this function, we can identify the object's ID. The syntax of ID function is, we have to type here ID, and under these round brackets we have to type object's name. Okay, let's understand with the help of an example. So first of all, open your command prompt and activate your Python interactive shell. Here I am declaring one variable str, which is pointing to this string hello. With the help of str, we can refer that object hello. Okay, now when I hit enter, we will get not any error. Now I want to check whether this object hello is stored in my str or not. For this, type variable name and hit enter. Yes, this object is stored in this variable str. Now I want to check ID of my object. So write down name ID, under round bracket write down variable name str. With the help of str, we can easily access this object and hit enter. The object ID is 301364615832. The ID differed from PC to PC. It is not same for every PC. Okay. Now what happens if I am typing here hello? This is my string and hit enter. We will get the same output hello. Now we will get the string hello, and if we type ID hello, what does this mean? This means we provide hello as an argument to this function, ID functions. What happens after this? I hit enter. We will get the same output as the previous one, 301364615832. We will get the same ID. Is it not the case that Python will allocate new memory for this object? Scratch your mind. No, Python will reuse the same object which has been allocated previously. Both IDs are same. Python will not allocate new memory for this string. Python has already allocated memory for this object here. And Python prefer to reuse the same object instead of allocating new memory for the same object. Is it clear to everyone? In reality, we can say that Python saves a lot of memory. So this is the reason why we are getting the same output. Okay, why we are getting the same ID, we can say that. So it doesn't matter if we pass str to ID. Here I am passing str to ID. It doesn't matter if we pass str to ID and we directly pass object to ID. Okay, here I am passing directly object to this ID. It doesn't matter, the output will be same. I hope this concept is clear to you. We have studied about introduction to identity operator. We have understand the ID function. We have understand the syntax of ID, how ID function work. Okay, so this is all we need to understand in this lecture. I will see you next one. Have a nice day.